If you enjoyed the course and would like to go further in this area, then I welcome you to head over to my website www.crackinglessons.net. In this website, you will learn reverse engineering and ethical hacking. So just scroll down and take a look at all the courses that I have here. You can click view more courses to view more interesting courses. For example, you start off with assembly language programming for software cracking, then continue on with cracking software legally, where you learn how to crack software legally by solving CrackMe's. Thereafter, you can proceed to automate software cracking with XDBG scripts, where you will master automation in software cracking using the XDBG scripts. Next, you can then go ahead with the software cracking practicals, where you will learn how to crack real software. So go ahead and take a look at this website here. More and more courses are being added regularly. So I hope to see you there. Thank you very much and happy learning.